Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Time 21st May 2024. Quiz Time is a series जहाँ आप 10 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हो जीके के और vocabulary के with me. And we are going to start with the GK quiz. So let's not waste any more time और जल्दी से first question start करते हैं. The first question is National Anti-Terrorism Day is observed on which date every year? Your options are May 20, May 21, May 22, or is it May 23? Easy सा guess लगा ही सकते हो since the quiz is of May 21 तो correct answer भी May 21 ही होगा. All right, moving on to question number 2. Recently in news, Scarborough Shoal is located in. Is it North Atlantic Ocean? Is it Mediterranean Sea? Is it Gulf of Mexico or South China Sea? Let's see who knows this one. किसने न्यूज़पेपर thoroughly पढ़ा है और आंसर करेंगे. The correct answer is South China Sea. Scarborough Shoal is a rock located in South China Sea, approximately 120 nautical miles west from the Philippine island of Luzon. All right, number 3, here we go. Recently, which person has made record by spending 93 days under Atlantic Ocean? Your options are Joseph Dituri, Mason Angel, Carol Schaller, or is it Sylvain Chiron? The correct answer is difficult names, but let's see what's the correct answer. Correct answer is Joseph Dituri. Retired US naval officer Joseph Dituri made headlines by spending 93 days in a pressurized pod under Atlantic Ocean. An adventure that not only broke records but seemingly also reversed the aging process. All right, moving on to number 4. Recently in news, Copernicus Emergency Management Service EMS program is related to. Is it the anti-missile system? Is it mapping? Is it both mapping and anti-missile system, or is it none of them? Correct answer देख लेते हैं. The correct answer is mapping. All right, number 5. Here we go. Copernicus Emergency Management Service program is developed by. Is it US, UK, EU, or Canada? The correct answer is EU. Number 6. Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, DAHD and UNDP, signs Memorandum of Understanding on Digitization of Vaccine Cold Chain Management. DAHD is under which ministry? Is it Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? Is it Ministry of Chemicals? Is it Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying? Or is it Ministry of Home Affairs? Easy सा एक wild guess तो कर सकते हो based on the question. The correct answer is Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. All right, number 7. Airbus Helicopters has recently signed an MOU for financing the purchase of Airbus helicopters in India with. Is it NABRD, SIBI, HDFC Bank or SBI? Correct answer देख लेते हैं. Let's see who knows this one. It's SIDBI, Airbus Helicopters and Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, recently signed a memorandum of understanding for financing the purchase of Airbus helicopters in India. Number 8, here we go. Recently, archaeologists have discovered the first evidence of rock art in which city in the form of pair of human footprints. Your options are Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Mangaluru, Vijayawada. Correct answer, it's Mangaluru. Moving on to number 9. Serum Institute of India SII recently said it has started exports of R21 Matrix M vaccine to Africa as part of the global fight against which disease? Is it HIV? Is it hepatitis B? Is it cancer? Or is it malaria? Correct answer देख लेते हैं. The correct answer is malaria. Number 10. The last for GK quiz 21st of May. Nikhat Zareen and Minakshi recently won gold medals for India at the third Elora Cup 2024. They belong to which sports? Is it archery? Is it wrestling? Is it boxing? Or is it shooting? Correct answer is boxing. Nikhat Zareen and Minakshi both are boxers. All right, moving on to the next part of the quiz. Vocabulary 21 May 2024 based on your daily newspaper. First question is right up. The new guidelines require all employees to dash to the company's dress code policy. सिंपल वर्ड जो माइंड में आता है, टू फॉलो कंपनीज ड्रेस कोड पॉलिसी. सो योर ऑप्शंस आर डिनाई, conform, adapt, or contravene. Correct answer is conform. Conform means to abide, to adhere, to follow. That is conform. इसको confirm से confuse नहीं करेंगे. That is conform. Next is deny. Deny opposite चला जाएगा. Contravene भी opposite चला जाएगा because that indicates violation, breach of a rule, document, whatsoever. Adapt. Adapt थोड़ा सा context पे नहीं जाएगा. क्यों? To adapt to the employee company's new dress code policy. Adapt करना नहीं, follow करना since it's a policy. Number two, the old filing system was dash and inefficient, leading to delays in processing paperwork. So हमें भी इससे मिलता जुलता word use करना है, something that is inefficient. Options are sleek, clunky, streamlined, and cumbersome. Correct answer is cumbersome. Streamline नहीं होगा because that would indicate कि बहुत efficiently काम हो रहा है. Sleek भी इस context के basis पे भी opposite जाता है. Sleek is very finished look of something. Then we have the word clunky. Clunky. Clunky indicates feeling awkward or very clumsy about something. The correct answer here is cumbersome. Cumbersome means very heavy. Load wise very heavy. अब यहाँ पे cumbersome का कैसा यूज होगा? The old filing system was very cumbersome and inefficient. बहुत time taking होता जा रहा था, बहुत heavy लग रहा था. So correct answer is cumbersome. Number three, travelers faced a lot of dash at the airport due to the increased security measures. Your options are ease, grapple, hassle, friction. So travelers faced a lot of ease तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. They were getting disturbed. Irritate से faced a lot of dash due to increased security measures. तो थोड़ा सा hassle रहा होगा. Hassle is difficulty होना. Friction. Friction मतलब hindrance in a sort of या रुक रुक कर चलना is friction. Then we have grapple. Grapple भी थोड़ा सा मिलता जुलता है. Grapple is more like struggling to do something, wrestling up कि ये काम करना है मुझे. So very much similar to hassle, but correct answer is hassle. Grapple हम eliminate करेंगे because struggle is more like a physically struggling you are with something you are struggling with physically. Four, the dash of the exotic destination drew many tourists to the region. Your options are obscure, allure, dissuade, or amuse. Something is amusing means आपको कोई चीज बहुत खुश कर रही है. You like it. That's amusing. Obscure means कोई चीज uncertain है, clouded है, पता नहीं है, obscurity है. Then we have dissuade, which means किसी को कुछ ये बोलना कि वो ये चीज ना करे. To discourage someone to do something. That's dissuade. Then we have allure. Allure indicates attractiveness of something. Your destination, the allure of the exotic destination. All right, number five. There was a growing dash among employees over the lack of pay raises. Over the lack of pay raises. क्या हो सकता है? Let's see. Is it contentment? Is it commitment? Is it resentment? Or is it government? Government हम eliminate करेंगे. Contentment मतलब satisfaction. So ये भी गया. Then we have commitment. Commitment मतलब जब आप किसी से commit करते हो, you abide by it, you follow it diligently. तो वो हो गया commitment. एक ही ऑप्शन बचता है हमारे पास, रिजेंटमेंट. रिजेंटमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है कॉन्टेक्स्ट से समझेंगे. देयर वाज अ ग्रोइंग रिजेंटमेंट अमंग एम्प्लॉइज. दे वर लाइक कि ये कैसा डिसीजन ले लिया हमने इस कंपनी में जाके, यहाँ तो पे को लेकर ही बहुत चक्कर रहता है. सो इट्स मोर लाइक यू आर रिजेंटिंग योर ओन डिसीजन, दैट व्हाई डिड आई टेक सच डिसीजन. दैट इज रिजेंटमेंट. यू आर नॉट एट ऑल satisfied with your decision. Number six, the heavy rain dash rescue efforts in the flood affected areas. Options are boosted, facilitated, expedited or hampered. Heavy rain की वजह से थोड़े hindrances आ रहे थे. In the flood affected areas, rescue difficult हो रहा था. So boost is eliminated here. Then facilitated is also eliminated here. Positive context में किसी को आगे बढ़ाना. So both options are eliminated. Then we have two options remaining. उसमें से correct answer is hampered. Hampered means इंटरप्शन आना. हैम्पर्ड मीन्स रोकना, पीछे जाना, हिंडर करना. दैट इज हैम्पर्ड. हैम्पर्ड मीन्स टू स्लो डाउन बिकॉज ऑफ इंटरप्शन. कोई चीज नहीं होना, रुक जाना, स्लो डाउन होना. एंड एक्सपेडाइटेड इज ऑपोजिट ऑफ हैम्पर्ड. if hampered is to impedite, then opposite is expedited. Expedited means कोई चीज बहुत जल्दी हो जाना, प्रोसेस को स्पीड अप कर देना. Number 7. Just 3 more to go after this. There is a dash of affordable housing in the city leading to a housing crisis. क्राइसिस है मतलब कोई चीज बहुत कम अवेलेबल होगी इसीलिए तो क्राइसिस है. अबंडेंस में होती तो क्राइसिस थोड़ी होता, सबको मिलता. सो ऑप्शंस आर प्लेनिट्यूड, पॉजिटी, सरफे, profusion. Options like plenitude and profusion indicates abundance. Same goes with positive. Same goes with survey. So correct answer is positive, which means कि कमी है इस चीज की, lack of resources here. Number 8. The board of directors will dash next week to discuss the company's financial report. Your options are adjourn, convene, depart, or disperse. Correct answer here is convene. Convene का मतलब हुआ board of directors will assemble. They will meet together and discuss about the meeting. That is convene. Adjourn मतलब कि अभी एक interval लिया है, बाद में resume कर सकते हैं. Depart is when you leave a destination, that is departing. Then we have disperse. Disperse is more or like opposite of contravene, like dispersing into different directions. Correct answer is convene. The dash Next is the dash of the crowd was evident as they cheered for their team's victory. Again, ये question हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है. Cheerfulness कैसे बताएंगे? By using the word exuberance. Other options indicate concern नहीं होना. All right, next one. The defendant celebrated his dash after a long and controversial trial. Celebrate की है तो मतलब victorious रहा होगा. Options are conviction, persuasion, condemnation और acquittal. यहाँ पे एक ही वर्ड है जिसका ये मीनिंग निकलता है कि पहले he was convicted of a crime, then he was exonerated, उसको free कर दिया. He was he was allowed to go free of crime, proved not guilty. So that is acquittal. Conviction means convicted of crime. Condemnation again convicted of crime. Persuasion means किसी को persuade करना, you want to मतलब पकड़ना उसे जाके ढूंढना. Acquittal is the correct answer. The last one for today is her dash fashion sense always turned heads at social events. मतलब ऐसा catchy सा जो कि बहुत सिमिलर नहीं है दूसरे फैशन सेंस से. द आईज आर ऑलवेज एट हर. ऑप्शंस आर एक्सेंट्रिक, आउटलैंडिश, ऑर्डिनरी और अनरिमार्केबल. यहाँ ऑर्डिनरी और अनरिमार्केबल तो एलिमिनेट हो जाते हैं. एक्सेंट्रिक इंडिकेट्स वेरी पेक्यूलियर, अलग तरीके का. आउटलैंडिश इज so catchy that one has to look it in a positive way. Always turned heads at social events in a very positive way. So that was today's quiz. Thank you so much for participating. For more such quizzes, don't forget to subscribe Vidikya on YouTube.